happy 6-year anniversary on YouTube. So, ito yung pinaka-first video ko. Tada!
Lower back. Imagine, di ba? Good afternoon! Dahil lockdown ngayon, magluluto ako ngayon ng tortang sayote with sardines. Good afternoon, everyone! Thank you so much sa lahat ng nag-review ng aking Facebook My Day and also Instagram My Day. Thank you so much, guys. Hope huwag kayong magsawang supportahan ako. But, meron lang akong gustong i-share sa inyo. Kasi may mga nagtatanong kung bakit daw ako nagva-vlog na. Kasi po, lockdown tayo ngayon. So, naisipan ko na mag-video-video. Ginagawa ko naman na talaga before yun, di ba? Pag nakikita nyo ako na nag-upload ng workouts, ng baking. Pero, ina-upload ko lang siya lagi sa Facebook. So, bakit hindi ko itry na gamitin ang aking YouTube channel? Matagal na kasi akong may YouTube channel. 5 years ago na. Pero, ang nilalagay ko lang doon yung mga events. Like fashion show, yung acting ko before, sa workshop, dun ko lang sinisave yung mga videos ko. Pero, wala akong balak na i-monetize or i-activate talaga ng husto with subscribers and everything. Wala akong plan nun. Pero, ngayon, naisipan ko ulit siyang gamitin since matagal ko na siyang hindi nagagamit. Kaya, why not, diba? Kasi, sayang din naman. Kaya, sinubukan ko lang siya. Sa simula talaga, ngayon na nagsisimula ako as a YouTuber, as a vlogger, tapos na-verified pa ako sa YouTube kahapon. It's really very hard na mag-vlog. Kasi especially editing pa lang, inaabot ako ng 3 hours to 4 hours ng pag-edit. Tapos nagkakaroon din ako ng problem sometimes sa audio. So, exporting ng video. Kamusta kayo dyan? Naapektuhan ba kayo ng bagyo? Stay safe and stay at home. Sa ngayon, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay kung papaano mag-improvise ng face mask. Hi everyone! Ang topic natin for today ay baking! Yes, baking naman. Marunong po ako mag-bake. Nagawa ko na yung ube, yung chocolate, yung condense. So ngayon naman, ang gagawin ko ay kakaiba. Kaya stay tuned! Happy Blessed Sunday to everyone! Ang gagawin ko naman ngayon ay baking. Ang title, No Oven Pineapple Condensed Cake. Hello mga kachichings! Dito ako ngayon sa labas. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda. Estansya. Hi mga kachichings! Meron lang akong pupuntahan ngayon kaya ako lumabas. Pero mabilis lang ako, promise. I hope magustuhan nyo yung video ko for today. 3rd year anniversary na kasi ng travel namin sa Japan. Hope you like it! Travel guide to have a successful vacation. First, plan your itinerary, book everything, your plane ticket and accommodation few months before you travel. Remember that bring everything you need bago kayo umalis. Hi everyone! It's time to cook pork spare spirits with tomato sauce. Sawadika to everyone. Sawadika means good morning in Thailand. I really love to travel in different countries to see the beautiful places and to know more about their cultures. Today, I will share different kinds of temples, Buddha, and floating market in Thailand. And I hope someday you visit the place and share it to your friends. So, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned! Welcome back to my channel! For today's content is all about pampering my full body. Upper back, lower back, and both legs using a portable device. I hope you guys like it and enjoy watching until the end of my video. Tall. Tapos yung black pepper. Orange, may blue, tapos may green. Ang favorite ko lagi yung green kasi ano siya, all day glow. Ang nakalagay dito, collagen for skin health, an essential structural protein in our body responsible for skin strength and elasticity. Yes, may kasama siyang pomegranate and vitamin E, one of the most powerful antioxidant. Fruits combined with an antioxidant-rich vitamin that helps remove toxins and fight free radicals. Yun ang reason kung bakit ko siya gustong-gusto. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Ang vlog ko for today is all about cooking show na nirequest ng aking dalawang subscribers na sina Carla Portea, ito ang kanyang comment, and also Kuya Bar. Ang request nila is creamy bacon carbonara. Kaya naman, I really highly recommend you guys to go at Singapore and explore the wonderful places po doon. Ipapakita ko sa videos ko yung mga lugar na napuntahan po namin. So, are you ready? Excited na ako na ipakita sa inyo. Kaya naman, tapusin niyo po yung video hanggang dulo para makita nyo at maingganyo kayong pumunta next time sa Singapore.
Next, add the rest of the oil to the paella pan. Throw in the green pepper, squid, and rice. As one learns more about himself in JRP, he also learns more about other people. Just like the ingredients that go well together, he also learns how to get along with other people through the virtue of respect and the skill of effective communication. Throw in the salt and the broth of the remains of the fish. Keep stirring with a wooden spoon until rice appears sticky. Throughout the JRP experience, one will meet new people. Just like how the sticky rice develops, in JRP, friendship also develops among learners. This friendship can last a lifetime. After shaking the paella pan, add the saffron and incorporate the shrimps. In shaking a pan of paella, pieces of food may fall off. The thoughts of believing and becoming the best version of oneself can be shaken outside of JRP. Values and skills may not completely develop because of these. However, with perseverance and hard work, one will remain unfazed with the outside elements that can interrupt the journey to success. When the broth has reduced to the half, decorate the paella with a red and green bell pepper, mussels, peas, hard-boiled eggs, chorizo, and crab. The process of cooking paella isn't complete without decorating the final dish with a few ingredients. The JRP experience is not also complete without learning to enhance one's outer image. Ready to serve, nourishing, vibrant, and unpretentious, just like a JRP graduate, socially and
Don't forget to
emotionally
like
healthy,
and subscribe
beautiful
on my
inside and out,
channel.
and believable.